I do in fact know how much you love whales, Meredith. I use that knowledge to effectively plan this whale-watching excursion on the occasion of our anniversary. Because gosh darn it, I love you, Meredith.
Oh, George, I love you too.
And I love you too as well. It's nice to take a break from my studies at the Chester Business School of Business and Business-Related Professionalism. Take some time to watch the whales with my best gal. Say, Captain, do you think we'll be nearing those whales anytime soon?
Aye, we be nearing some whales, all right. Whales of remembrance, whales of regret. For it was on a night like this, those many moons ago, when the sea was dead still with anticipation. Anticipation of a naive young crew of salty gentlemen. Salty, savory gentlemen. Who were soon to become a forgotten whisper, a faint apparition of the black abyss of Lady Ocean's smelly bosom.
Fascinating.
These salty, buttery, doomed men were led by the young, fresh-faced captain, the Captain Atlas Novak, who was eager to return to his shore-bound sweetheart, his dearest Annabelle, for whom he was going to leave his life of captaining behind and start anew. Little did he know that the seas were hungry that night, and the sea's bowels were a solid block of concrete due to its low-fiber diet. And so, this captain was doomed to sail on forever, searching for his dearest Annabelle, for all of time, without rest. The captain was me, if that wasn't clear.
Yeah, George, can I talk to you just for a second?
Oh, sure, Mary.
Don't you think there's something strange about the captain? I mean, don't get me wrong, but don't you think he might be a ghost?
What? Meredith, that's just nonsense. Ghosts aren't real. There are Frankensteins, or Draculas, or zombies, or werewolves, or marionette puppets that wink at you from across the room. It's just a bunch of Hollywood funny business. That's a mighty fine story, my friend. Can you tell me when that was?
Yes, it was recently, definitely within the last century, I'm sure of that.
Maybe you can remember who was the president at the time.
It was Van Buren.
Did you say Van Buren?
No, I didn't say Van Buren, no, I said, man, Buren. It's cold out here, isn't it?
Can I see your captain's license?
Meredith, don't be rude.
No, that's quite all right. Yep, there you go. Now you've seen it. That's it.
Fine.
This captain's license is expired. It expired 160 years ago!
That's a typo.
I hope you two are enjoying yourselves. We're dead serious about you having a good time.
That's Jimmy. Ignore Jimmy. Get out of here.
You're sure to see a haunting number of whales.
Jimmy, seriously.
Woo!
Yeah.
George, I'm scared. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea.
Oh, come on now. No, it's a fine idea. I'm sorry, Captain. She's overreacting. She's hypersensitive. Why are you so cold?
Oh, I've got a case of the Mondays.
What?
I've got a case of the Mondays.
Is that ectoplasm?
No, that's not ectoplasm. That's no, it's Mondays. That'll what it do, and it'll do that to you, and all this cold weather.
It's just a case of cold weather and the Mondays.
Is anyone hungry? Would anyone like
Jimmy,
some?
Jimmy, don't.
Would anyone care for some?
Stop it! Stop!
Some goulash?
God damn it, Jimmy!
Or perhaps you prefer some soul food?
Jimmy, get out of here! Please!
I'm just trying to raise your spirits.
Again, I'm sorry about Jimmy. He's a bit of a nut.
people in a lot of pain.
No, that's not what that is. That's just the port.
The port.
How are you not getting this?
Yes. When the port rubs against the
Suffering!
when it rubs against the hull, it sounds a lot like
Avenge me!
it sounds a lot like souls. Yes.
You're the captain after all. We gotta take your word for it. I'm sure everything's fine. Now, Captain, after all, I am a little bit hungry. Could we get some of Jimmy's goulash out here now?
No, don't eat Jimmy's goulash. Jimmy's terrible. Go over to the cooler. There should be sandwiches in it.
Over here.
Yeah. Repent! Repent!
What is that?
There should still be sandwiches in there. Yeah.
You want to stop me or?
Boo! I'm a pirate ghost! Gee whiz, some people.
What?
Right?
No. I've had about enough of this. What in the doggone dingus do you think is going on here? Now, I could take the moaning, and I could take the ectoplasm. But when you promise a man a cooler full of sandwiches, and you give him a cooler full of spooky sailors instead, you insult that man's honor, sir! Now, if I didn't know any better, I would say this was some kind of ghastly ghost boat.
Well, hold on. I can explain.
Up ahead, a whale, a real whale!
Oh, isn't that just lovely?
They say the song of the whale is the most beautiful sound. Listen!
That's it. I've had about enough of this, Meredith. We are swimming back to shore.
Just let me put on my spectacles. Are they gone? God damn it, Jimmy. Just get out of here.
I just want to entertain.